Hi, my name is Anna Stinson. I am the Laboratory Operations Manager in Massachusetts, and I've been with the company for 7 years. Smoother than you'd think. Jeff is the Lab Operations Manager in Pennsylvania, Mariah in North Carolina, and I am in our Massachusetts location. But we stay in close contact and support one another. And I think that our collaboration makes us stronger as a company and more consistent for our clients. Good question. Our clients may not always see it, but behind the scenes, there is a huge amount of dedication to quality and promoting radon-safe environments. Everyone on my team, lab technician and technical support, are NRPP certified. They take ownership for the results that we provide, ensuring accuracy and reliability. I've had the chance to grow in every single role that I've had here. I started in customer care, then I moved to the lab as a lab technician for several years before starting my current position. Along the way, I've had great mentors, and I've been given lots of challenges, which has kept me, motivated to keep going and keep growing. And I'm really grateful to work at a company that promotes career growth and development. Radon often flies under the radar compared to things like mold or carbon monoxide, but it's just as dangerous. And our tests are simple and easy to use, so anyone can take the first step to understanding their home radon levels. According to the National Council on Radiation Protection and Measurements, radon accounts for 37% of the average annual radiation dose per person in the US. This is significant, which is why raising awareness of radon is super important, especially because testing for radon is easy and everyone should know the risk in their own home.